Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and for any newcomers, welcome. This is Live Life Loving You. Today we're going to be making saltfish. We're going to get our ingredients together, situated, cut up. We have okra, tomatoes, fresh thyme, fresh garlic. We also have pimento peppers, white onions, scallions, red peppers, and some bandania, and 1 pack of saltfish. So here we have our saltfish prepared. I boiled it twice, 15 minutes each, replacing the water the second time. And then once it cooled, I just broke it up into pieces and put it to the side. So we'll add our oil to the pot, and then we'll saute our garlic and our fresh thyme. And then we'll let that sit for about one or 2 minutes in the pot to saute. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our peppers, the pimento peppers and our red peppers. We're also going to add in our onion and let that saute and soften up. From there, we'll add our okra and we'll let that cook for a little bit, maybe for about a minute. Then we'll add our tomatoes and our scallions, as well as the bandania. So once that's cooked down a little bit and the tomatoes get a little soft, we'll add in our saltfish, mix it well. And just mix it up. We're going to cover it, let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then come back. So it's cooked down. As you can see, we're going to add a little bit of seasoning to it. We'll add some black pepper. We're also going to add some adobo seasoning, and then later on I'll add a little bit of parsley as well. You don't really need to add any salt because the saltfish is salt, hence the name saltfish. And there's the parsley. And let that cook for another minute and it's done. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for a new video. Here I paired it with some ground provisions, some boiled plantain, as well as some green banana and some white sweet potato. You can also pair it with fried or roasted bake. Enjoy, like, and subscribe. Thanks.